Finding the correct homeschooling curriculum. As more families are learning the benefits of having a home computer and access to the internet, the popularity of homeschooling has been noticed as well. The internet allows parents to be more proactive in their child's education. They are able to see what is involved with a homeschooling curriculum, access inexpensive online schools, and find information on what is required in a homeschooling curriculum. The local school district will also offer guidance on the necessary homeschooling curriculum, along with suggestions on the best ways to keep your kids interested in their studies. There are also many excellent books on the subject of homeschooling, written by educators and loaded with information on how to find homeschooling curriculum requirements and techniques for teaching the various subjects. Required subjects. The basic homeschooling curriculum is similar in all U.S. states. It includes math, science, history, and English. Children will have to learn how to read and write. Parents whose children show aptitude for other subjects like music, writing, or art, can include those if they wish. The purpose of a homeschooling curriculum is to make sure that the children have a clear idea of what material they need to cover each day and when they will be tested on it. It will also list the completion dates for their upcoming reports and other projects. As long as your homeschooled child performs well in his or her year-end exams, your school district superintendent is not likely to ask for a review of your homeschooling curriculum, depending on state laws. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.